Good day, everyone. I am Ati Matilda Valimante from the Department of Medicine and Surgery. I will be presenting my review of the summary of the book The Compound Effect by Darren. The book that teaches us how small but consistent action can lead to extraordinary success over time. Before I read this book, there's this thought I used to have that successful people became successful because maybe they were lucky, talented, or probably had privileges others didn't have. But after reading this book, I realized something totally different. I realized that you choose to be successful. Yes, successful people, it does not happen overnight. It happens by the little decisions, the little actions they decided to do repeatedly, consistently, and leads to that. Chapter 1 of the book, The Compound Effect in Action. The compound effect in action here tells us how tiny but consistent actions lead to remarkable success over time. Like, there are good habits, like there are actions that if you are consistent with it over time, you will see that it will lead to something very big. Okay, let's use this example. Every day, as a student, here I'm a student, every day after school, you just say, let you just go over your notes. You're doing this every day. At the end of, you will notice that you are gaining more knowledge than you used to when you just feel relaxed and exam is in 2 months time, let me wait till then, I'll read my books, I'll cover up, but if you keep doing this every day, you get that you gain more knowledge, and you tend to understand more than you used to do. And then maybe probably you go to class, you've read, you've covered your notes, and maybe you became anxious that you want to know more. You start making research, you know more. You go to class, your lecturer is talking about what you are familiar with, what you read before then, and you're like, wow, there's that joy, there's that feeling, there's that feeling you have, and then you're like, you begin to ask more questions to get clarified, and Chapter 2, Choices. The second chapter focuses on personal choices. The author says that every result we have today is connected to the decisions we make in the past. Instead of blaming other people, our environment, or bad luck, Darren encourages us to take responsibility for our lives. Personally, I found this chapter very challenging because it made me realize